Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Red color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, blue color, sky blue color, light pink color. Kids, shape drawing. Green color, Q. Kids, Q. Heart. Square. Six-point star. Cloud. Circle. Cube. Blue color kids. Blue color kids. Cube. Orange color kids. Orange color kids. Heart. Green color kids. Square. Six-point star. Yellow color. Pink color kids. Cloud. Circle, purple color. Cube, heart, square, six-point star, cloud, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.